Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're going to have a look at what I've numbered the third log law, which is to do with powers. Now there's a bit to take in here, although the idea is very simple. So if we have a number out the front of a log expression like this, we can rewrite that as this value to that power. So this expression and this expression mean the same thing. But it comes in rather handy when we have rearrangements to do or we're trying to simplify something. So this can be written as that, and obviously this, which I've written down here, can be written as that. So basically this value here can either sit here or here. So the power here is the equivalent of multiplying the entire expression. Okay, so let's see how that works down here. So here we have an expression involving numbers, which are always, I think, easier to deal with. And so let's see what we get here. So we can rewrite this as 2 times this log expression here. So this is 2 lots of this. Now let's translate that into something that's readily understandable. So 2 lots of this is the equivalent of 1 lot of that plus 1 lot of that. Same bases, which means we can combine them, which means that we can write a single expression and multiply these 2 numbers here to give us 2 times 2. 2 times 2, of course, is the same as 2 squared. So let me just run through that again. This is equivalent to this expression. 2 of these are represented here. 1 of them plus 1 of them. The first log law, which says that if the bases are the same, you can multiply these numbers, means that we can simplify to this. So that is log base 5, and this is 4, which we can write as this, log 5, 4. 4 can be written as 2 squared. This is getting a bit circular, but note, it can be written as 2 squared. It can also be written like this, which is its equivalent form here. Okay, just let me run through this again. There's a fair bit to take in. This can be written like this. If we write it like this, we can get a better understanding of how this works by using the addition law. We've got 2 expressions that are exactly the same base. We can multiply these numbers when we add these logs. And that gives us this, 2 times 2, which is 4, which we have here. Now, 4 can be written as 2 squared. So we can write this as this. And according to this law and what I've just shown you here, we can also write it as this. So, what's the long and the short of this? If you see an expression that looks like this, it is possible to take this number and put it out the front so that the expression looks like this. Now, it may not seem immediately that that's useful, but you will be seeing examples where that's incredibly useful, when it's actually possible to work out what this is as a number single number, well, a number, then all you have to do is multiply, and you've got rid of the log. Let me show you. So let's say that we had 2 log 5 of 5. Okay. Now that could be written, it could have been presented to you as as log 5 squared. It could have been presented to you like that. Now that is 25. Now hopefully you understand that the answer to that is 2, because 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Let's go back to here. This expression here is equivalent to 1. So remember our answer here was 2. So this becomes 2 times 1, which equals 2. That's why it's useful to be able to move between these two forms. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.